In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit pose in the Google Gemini Windows app. We'll take an existing photo and ask Gemini to adjust the subject's pose while keeping the person, the outfit, and the background intact. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload an image, craft a clear prompt, and let the app generate a natural-looking result with proper proportions, lighting, and shadows. First, open the Gemini app on your Windows computer. On the main screen, look for the plus icon. This is your upload button. Click it to choose an image from your files. For the best results, pick a high-quality photo where the person is fully in frame and not heavily obstructed. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well, and higher resolution gives the model more detail to preserve facial features, clothing textures, and background elements. If your image has extreme motion blur or very low light, consider selecting a clearer version so the pose edit looks more realistic. Once your image is loaded and visible in the chat area, move to the prompt box. Here's where clarity really matters. Type a direct instruction that tells Gemini what to change and what to keep. For example, change the person's pose in the image to a confident standing pose with one hand on the hip and the other relaxed by the side. Keep the same person, outfit, and background. Make the new pose look natural and proportionate, with realistic body alignment, lighting, and shadows that match the original scene. This level of detail helps the model align the new pose with the scene's perspective and light direction, so the edit blends in seamlessly rather than looking pasted on. After you've written the prompt, press Enter to send it. You'll see the app begin processing. This can take a short while depending on your system and connection, so give it a moment. Avoid clicking around or resubmitting right away. Letting the request finish helps ensure a clean result. When the output appears, you should see the same person and setting, now with the updated stance that looks balanced and consistent with the original lighting and shadows. If anything feels off, maybe the arm angle looks stiff or the shadows don't quite match, refine your wording and run it again. Tiny changes like specifying relaxed shoulders, neutral facial expression, or match the original light direction from the left can make a noticeable difference. Keep instructions non-contradictory, avoid asking for multiple styles at once, and stick to the same subject, outfit, and background to maintain realism. That's it. Upload, prompt with clarity, press Enter, and wait for Gemini to produce a natural pose edit.